feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
What's up, formers? Dr. Deviate. Oh my God, I'm back on the bike for the very first time since my hip replacement. I'm taking you guys along for the ride, and yeah, let's see if all this pain and suffering was worth it. Once I got my foot on the foot peg before, I couldn't take it off. And then when I did come to a stop, meaning at home, I never took it off at lights or railroad crossings or anything. I mean, I couldn't get it off and back on. So once I got home, I would take it off and it would be extremely painful. So long story short, doctor said I had no cartilage left in my hip, and arthritis ate it all up, and gave me a robotic hip. Ooh, baby. God, I love this thing. Let's see if I can get my foot on there. Oh my God, this is so fucking nice. Guys, I feel like I'm 20 again. I mean, my feet just go right up on the foot pegs. I've not been able to do this, and I don't know how long, guys. I mean, I'm just being honest with you. Wow, this is fucking amazing. Woo-wee. Yeah, where we're going today is that we're going to go see my son. Well, I'm going to drop in on my son real quick, who finally, after all these years, and I do mean he's been riding many years, has decided to get his motorcycle license. And I'm so proud of him. I've been asking him to do it for a while, and he's been kind of pushing back on me. You know, he wants to be a rebel, but yeah, he's doing it today, and I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm not saying that, you know, he's going to go there and they're going to teach him how to ride. The kid knows how to ride. I mean, he's been riding motorcycles and dirt bikes his whole life. I mean, he rode, I think he rode something like 50 or 60,000 miles on a Harley in under 5 years. I mean, yeah, the kid spent a lot of time on the road. He's got good common sense when it comes to reading the traffic and everything else. I got my motorcycle license because I don't want my bike impounded if I get a speeding ticket or get pulled over. You know, I'll tell you something right now, ladies and gentlemen. If it gets impounded, that record company is going to, 9 times out of 10, they're going to ride the piss out of it. And I've even heard horror stories of people going to pick their bikes up from the impound yard and be blown up. The bike's blown up. And they're like, oh, that's the way it was when we picked it up. Yeah. So, you know, I got my license to keep motherfuckers off my bike. I'm sorry for my language, but that's exactly what I did it for. Alright guys, we're back now on the freeway. Oh my God. Woohoo! I'm telling you, I can't tell you how good this feels. I haven't been able to ride with this much comfort. Man, I can't remember when.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck
kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Amazing. Fucking amazing.
Establish dominance! Establish dominance!
Man, this bike is just performing. I mean, it's just... I know you saw the Mustang action. I couldn't let him do it with the V6. Man, he was trying to... He was... Guys, he was trying to dominate me. You saw it. He was showing his dominance. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I can hear it now. The trolls in the comments, you know. Man, I'm telling you. I'm so fucking happy about this shit. Look at him. I wonder what he's riding. He's out here on the ground, dude. You turn it up. Looks like it. I think he's got a white helmet though. Look at all the grums. I'm so proud of you, heroes. Alright guys, I'm gonna have, when I take a break, I'm gonna have lunch with my son real quick. And yeah, we'll hit the road, man. I don't even know if I'm going straight home. I feel so good. I wanna, shit, man, I wanna ride. It's 104 or something like that index, or 107 index today, but I honestly want to just ride. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, later. What's up, guys? Alright, we're leaving my son's motorcycle course and getting back on the freeway. I'm telling you, having that foot down on the ground right there is amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna make a video and I'll probably upload it before this one, so you probably already seen it, talking about why I did my hip replacement, what I was going through, what the recovery was like, and now you guys are experiencing my first ride. So yeah, I can't be happier. Nothing's worse than, you know, going through that kind of stuff, and you know, the pain that was involved and the initial recovery. This is not torn. In the initial recovery, and just to find out that it don't work. I don't know, guys, but I definitely got to wash the padding on my helmet. Like I said, it smells like I got a jock strap wrapped around the front of my face. It's horrible. That's what I get. Deserves me right.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.